Hey everyone, today let's dive into how you can set up to earn $100 a month online. This guide is beginner friendly, and I'll walk you through each step. First, let's talk about freelancing websites. These are great if you have a specific skill to offer. Here's Fiverr. You can offer services like graphic design, writing, or even video editing here. If you have a talent, this is a good place to start earning. Up next, Upwork. This is another freelancing site where professionals get higher paying gigs. It's fantastic for writers, programmers, and marketers. Now onto passive income and content creation. This is where things get really interesting. Let's look at YouTube. Here you can earn through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. I'll show you how to set this up in just a bit. If writing is more your thing, check out Medium and Amazon KDP. These platforms allow you to earn by publishing articles and ebooks. Finally, let's discuss easy online tasks. These are perfect if you're looking for quick wins. Swagbucks and user testing are two great options. You can earn money by answering surveys or testing websites. Alright, now that we've covered different options, let's focus on YouTube, one of the best ways to build a sustainable income. First, create a YouTube account and set up your channel. Choose a niche you're passionate about. This will make creating content easier and more enjoyable. Next, start creating and uploading videos. Consistency is key here. Aim to upload at least one video a week. As your channel grows, you'll start earning through ads. Remember to enable monetization in your settings. Don't forget about sponsorships and affiliate marketing. Reach out to brands once you have a decent following. Include affiliate links in your video descriptions to earn commissions from sales. And there you have it, a simple guide to start earning $100 a month online. Remember, the key is to stay consistent and keep learning. Thanks for watching and good luck on your online earning journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.